friends, today we will learn how to create this beautiful money plant hanging wall. So let's start. So for this we need hanging pots and a mixture of peat moss and compost. Here you can see this is peat moss and compost mixture, and we need money plant cuttings. This is neon money plant. You can take marble queen and golden pythosis, whatever you like. I like this one because this one has beautiful variegation and it won't lose variegation even in low light. So I am choosing this variety. If you choose this variety, that would be great. So let's take the cutting. I will cut it from here and take all the cuttings, and then we will grow. Okay, so here is the cutting. I take the cut the plant, and I have this branch. So now we will grow money plant from cutting. So first you have to you can see here is the node area. So first I will cut from here, because if I cut from here this node is not very good, so that's why I take this cutting and cut it from here. This try to make clean cut and then cut it from here little bit up. So these are the two cuttings. Always keep it upright, and this one is third cutting, and cut it from here close to the node as possible. Here you can see this one is third cutting, and this cutting is not very good actually. So for now I start from this. This is another cutting, but you can see this thing is damaged from here, so I will cut it out. And here is another cutting. You can see it is growing from here, and this is the root, so will we grow those roots as well. You can see this cutting is not very good, it is damaged, but I will use it because it will grow actually. So here you see 3 cuttings are there, and 2, 4, 5 cuttings are there, so total 8 cuttings, and we have 6 pots. So let me cut some more cutting from here, and then we start the video. So I take all the cuttings. So let's put some soil in those pots, then we will show you how to grow those cuttings. So I am going to place this paper bag at the bottom of each pot, so it keeps some moisture, because money plant need moisture. So I will fill up pots like that. Here. Okay, now what I have to do, take one cutting and place it like that, so the node area are inside this mixture. I need some more mixture like that. So now place second cutting. This is the rooted area and it was growing like that, so I am going to put it like that, and this is my third cutting. So I have placed 3 cuttings in this pot and then water it. You have to water it very well and shower on the cuttings so they won't dry out. So our first pot is ready. Let me create all those pots, then we will meet again. Okay, I fill out this pot with potting media and again place the cutting like that, like this. because this is against wall, so I have to show it like that, so you can get some idea. So here is the third one. I am placing 3 cuttings in each pot, so it looks great when they start rooting. Okay, now give it some good water. Wash the leaves and let me plant all those 4 pots, and then I will show you the final product. So I have planted all the pots. Let's hang it there and let's see how it looks. So here is the final view. You can see how beautiful it is looking. I love it. And this net, this is my bird's cage separation. This thing. So you can see it looks great. You can also try this. I'm sure you'll love it. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.